For a lot of women who've experienced pain, it's actually very difficult to do some of the things I just suggested. And so I bring this up now to help women who have a difficulty going into their body or noticing the sensations that are happening inside of their body, because their body has been a place of so much pain and sorrow and betrayal even, that starting to notice any sensations going on can actually create more anxiety and exacerbate the dysregulation. So this is a technique that actually can be used for somebody who's starting to feel maybe even a little bit worse when they notice neutral or positive sensations in their body. So this might be a stepping stone. Basically utilizing any of your 5 senses to bring you into the present moment, utilizing an external resource. So one that I usually recommend is taking like those tangelos, those cuties that are like really fun to open up, the like orange mix, the orange mix between the tangelos, and you start to like peel into it. You feel the sensation, you smell it, you listen to it as you peel into it, and you just start to notice all of the sensations as it relates to that moment and that present awareness. So this can be a great resource as a way to expand your present moment experience, which then ultimately deepens the resilience zone and allows you to get back in because it's a really grounding experience. So as a summary, basically when we take these science-based information about what's going on inside of our bodies, we can actually utilize skills and apply it to our everyday life. And this isn't just about thinking positively and the vulvodynia will go away. Naturally, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be discussed and explored with a professional or with a close friend or trusted friend or partner, because that is important in overcoming vulvodynia as well. But there are many components of healing and treating vulvodynia, and so we take a biopsychosocial approach, which is like a whole overall big picture. And it's really important to make sure to bring these tools on board with medical and physical treatment with the PT or with Dr. Rapkin. And this whole goal is to just create an overall mind-body wellness.